Charles, do you like your new fish? Your fish? It's your new teether? What do you think? Is it good? Is it good? Is that good? Is that good? Turn off this episode of Ellen. All we can hear is Jennifer Aniston talking. Is that good? Ooh. You showing everybody your big mitts? Yeah? Does it feel good on your gums? You try to hold it. Oh no, we lost it. There, Mom will help you. You're sticking your tongue out on it. Delicious. A rubber fish. You grab it. It's on your chest. Here. Try to grab it. Charles, you're handsome. You're handsome. You better give everybody a big smile. Come on, smile. Okay. Say bye. Love ya. Bye. Love ya. Bye.